What's up, everybody? It's James here, and today we're diving into something a little different, Onpassive. Now, you might know them for their tech, but we're going deeper, looking at how their tools can actually level up your personal growth game. Yeah, you heard that right. We're talking goal setting, productivity hacks, the whole 9 yards. Onpassive has this whole ecosystem that I think is seriously underrated, and today I'm gonna break it down for you. We've got 5 creative tips, and trust me, these aren't your generic self-help platitudes. We're getting specific, actionable, and maybe even a little bit techie. Let's get into it. But first, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks. First up, goal setting. You've heard it a million times, but this time we're doing it the Onpassive way. Think of their tools like your personal project management system. You can break down those big, audacious goals into smaller, manageable steps. And the best part? Onpassive helps you track your progress every step of the way. No more fuzzy goals, we're talking laser focus here. Imagine this. You open up your Onpassive dashboard and boom, you've got a visual roadmap of your goals. It's like having your own personal hype man cheering you on as you crush each milestone. And let's be real, who doesn't love a good progress bar? It's like a game, but for your life. Speaking of progress, let's talk about why it's so crucial. It's not just about checking boxes. It's about staying motivated, building momentum, and actually seeing how far you've come. Onpassive's tools take all the guesswork out of tracking. They give you these detailed analytics and reports so you can see exactly where you're excelling and where you might need to adjust your strategy. Think of it like having a fitness tracker, but for your goals. You can track your daily wins, identify any roadblocks, and make adjustments on the fly. It's all about that data-driven self-improvement. You're basically turning your life into an optimization experiment. And who doesn't love a good experiment? Chapter 3. Time Management Mastery. Let's be real, time management can be a struggle. But what if I told you Onpassive could help you become the master of your own time? No, I'm not talking about time travel, though that would be cool. I'm talking about their AI-powered tools that help you optimize your schedule, prioritize tasks, and even automate those repetitive things that suck up your time. Imagine having a personal assistant who knows exactly when you're most productive and schedules your day accordingly. That's the power of Onpassive's AI. It's like having a second brain that's laser focused on making you more efficient. And who wouldn't want a little more time in their day? Chapter 4. Networking like a pro. Now, let's talk about networking. It's not just about schmoozing at events, though Onpassive can help you with that too. It's about building meaningful connections that can help you grow both personally and professionally. Onpassive has these built-in networking features that let you connect with like-minded individuals, mentors, and even potential collaborators. It's like having a Rolodex of awesome people right at your fingertips. Think of it like a social media platform, but specifically designed for professional and personal growth. You can share ideas, get feedback on projects, and even find accountability partners to keep you on track. It's all about leveraging the power of community to level up your game. Because let's face it, we're stronger together. Chapter 5. Never stop learning. Last but not least, let's talk about continuous learning. In today's fast-paced world, it's more important than ever to stay ahead of the curve. And Onpassive gets it. They offer a ton of learning resources, from online courses to webinars to expert interviews, all designed to help you expand your knowledge and skills. It's like having a digital library filled with all the information you need to reach your full potential. You can learn new things, develop new skills, and stay relevant in your field. The best part? Onpassive's learning resources are constantly updated, so you always have access to the latest trends and insights. Outro, unlock your potential. So there you have it, folks. 5 creative ways. Onpassive can help you unlock your full potential. We talked about setting clear goals, tracking your progress like a boss, mastering time management, networking like a pro, and embracing continuous learning. The best part is, this is just scratching the surface. Onpassive has a ton of other tools and features just waiting to be explored. So, what are you waiting for? For more information about Onpassive and how it can help you in your life, please go to the description below. Dive in, experiment, and see what works best for you. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on how to level up your life with technology. Until next time, peace out.